Hi everyone, this is Cam. Today, I will show you how to enrich the logo IP information from Cisco WSC9800. Actually, last year when I was in project, actually in troubleshooting, the customer requested he wanna find out the logo IP. Actually, in the building there are many logo IP from service provider. And another building, the APs, another floor APs. Because of that, he wanna find out some rogue IP. Even in the building, there are unmanaged the home router and APs. Because of that, there are kind of interference. So customer requested, so he wanna find out the rogue IP. So at the time, I did use Excel. Excel is a very best tool. So from the logo information, CLI, so this is the logo AP MAC, and this is detect Cisco, the AP, and the RSSI and channel. And with this information, I cannot find out. So from this MAC address of Cisco IP, I convert into host name. This is host name and flower. Usually as for the host name, we use the building name and floor, and the AP name. So we can assume, we can guess, we can know where is the AP and the logo IP is near. So this is the location and the host name, and this is the logo AP vendor name. With the logo AP vendor name, we can assume what kind of AP is used. So in Korea, the service provider usually use some kind of a specific vendor, and my customer did use old unmanaged APs that was mixed at the time. Also, RSS is very important. As you know, if RSSI is over the 80, the -80, it's weak, which is not near. But 38, 33, 35, 50, blah blah blah, it means it's very near, and it make interference. So I decide to automate this one, and at the logo IP, the web UI, it's not good. CLI is better. So here is the logo AP, the MAC address, and we can convert into the AP vendor name. And here is heist, the RSSI detect AP. This is Cisco AP. So from the show command, we can know what is the host name of this AP. Also, RSSI is very important because we can sort and we can know which is how far. And usually in these days, customer use only 5 gig for the business. 2.4 is, everybody give up. So because of that, I can make filter for display to 5 gig. Cisco CNI has a good column. So width is fixed with everything. So it's very easy to extract the information. Okay, this is what I want finally. Here, the RSSI is sorted. Only 5 gig is here, and the AP name, detect AP name, and the logo AP vendor. This is actually what I need. But also time. Last time heard is important. But usually this is what I want. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, I did use Nemico. Nemico. This is from the Paramico, and this is for the SSH. So using Nemico from the show AP.11 5 gig and 2.4 load info command, I can make the AP list. And from the show wireless WS logo AP summary, I can make a logo AP list, and then read this file and convert the MAC vendor using this module. And for the AP host name, use this one. This AP module is used. And then save this one and read again. and then sorting this one based on RSSI. So actually, this is a line. The line is very big in text. It's just strings. From the strings, I tend to sort. So I read it and I write down as a list in dictionaries. So RSSI is here, and next is the line. So using RSSI, I just sort, I just sort and then print out. Very easy. And this is 4 files you need to this one, and this is you can run this one. Okay, I will show you the demonstration. Very simple. Just run this one, and 1, 2, 3. We can know that actually here 43 and channel 36, and detect AP name is settle fifth flower, and logo AP vendor is unknown. So this MAC is unknown. So anyway, and another AP detect Apple. Wow, 51. Actually, this is my home router, and this is maybe someone in my home did tether her phone, I guess. And 72 is EMF. It's in Korean, the home router vendor. This is my daughter's home. And this is 78, 82, 83 is not my home. Maybe another neighborhood, I guess. And when you run this code, just don't forget to install Nemico if you don't have it. And this is the host name, C9800. Hostname and ID and password, so you can change it. And here this line shows only 5 gigahertz. If you want to both of them, you can remove this one, and it shows almost everything. Wow, too many like that, too many things. But usually my customer doesn't need it, so I did print out only 5 gig. Okay, like that. And okay. So if you have physical Cisco 9840 or 50, the 80 or like that, a physical machine, I think you can run the code in the guest shell. Guest shell is CentOS container. As you know, it's a Linux. It has Python, so you can run on the physical machine, and you can run in the CLI. I think it's more convenient. So anyway, so I hope this code help you to make a code for you and your colleague. And have a good time, and thank you. Bye bye. See you again.